Why are most people not unlocking the power of habits change, especially eating habits change for better health? Hi, I'm Dr. Chan, the Habits Doctor. In my work helping my patients and students change their habits for better health, I often end up asking them more questions than they ask me. One of the questions I'm always thinking about is this: why are people, even when they know, even when they can see that their eating habits are affecting their health, why are they not changing them? Question 1. Do they want good health? The answer must be 100% yes. Everybody wants good health. So most people will say, when asked, they want good health. The next question I would ask is this: do they know? Do they know the impact of eating habits, of lifestyle habits on their health? And most of the people that I ask would say they know. They do know how impactful lifestyle and eating habits are on their health, And then that comes down to the third question: do they believe? Do they believe that if they make the effort to change, they make the effort to improve their lifestyle and eating habits, would it have a positive impact on their health? And almost everybody that I ask would say that they believe. So that begs the question: why is it that when they say they want good health, that they know the impact of habits on health, and that they believe that if they improve their eating habits, their lifestyle habits, it would improve their health? Why are most people not making the effort to improve their habits, their lifestyle habits, and especially their eating habits? Is it because they do not really want? Is it because they do not fully know? Or is it because they do not truly believe in the power of lifestyle and eating habits change for better health? That is why for my patients and students, I will spend a lot of time and effort to go through these 3 questions with them thoroughly and honestly. That is, do they really want good health? And do they fully know the impact of habits on health? And lastly, do they truly believe that if they change and improve their habits, especially their eating habits, it would have a significant impact on their health? And only when they fully and honestly answer these 3 questions with a fully committed 100% yes, would I begin the journey over a period of a few months to train, equip, and coach them to make the necessary changes to their lifestyle and eating habits. How about you? Maybe you should ask yourself these 3 questions today. Do you want good health? Do you fully know the impact of habits on health? And do you truly believe in the power of lifestyle and eating habits change for better health? This will be the food for thought that I am leaving you today. Have a blessed day.